So today we're doing some front brakes on a Transit 280, and we're just going to start by taking off the wheel. What we're going to do is get to the back of that caliper. So to give ourselves a little bit more space, just turn the wheel all the way around. Just going to break loose the bottom caliper slide pin. Before we remove the caliper, just want to push the piston back in using this pry bar. It's that way. There we go. Just get those to wind most of the way in. Don't worry about damaging the pad. We're about to replace that anyway. Forgot to mention it at the start, but it's also good to remove the cap or just leave it on there loose, because you can see the fluid comes right up to the top. So if it was to overflow, you don't want it to build any pressure inside the system. So just leave that on there loose. Should have put a rag underneath it. Move that up and out of the way. What we're going to do is separate the boot from the pin, like so, and then just wiggle that out. Don't put it on the floor, and then what we also do is same up there. Just rest that on top. So now I've put on some lithium grease. You can't use petroleum-based grease, or like some general purpose greases aren't suitable because they eat the rubber boots. Make sure it moves nice and freely. Make sure it twists as well. There we go. Now we'll put some grease on the top one as well. And then basically we do is just slide the caliper back in, make sure it moves freely, just put that up and out of the way for a second. So on the new pads, just going to put the tiniest little dab of copper grease on the ears and nowhere else. That's it. Tiny little bit, doesn't need much. So once the pads are in, you just drop down the caliper and then get your bottom bolt started. And you just want to tighten up this bolt here down the bottom. This is a 15mm by the way, both of them are. And then that's it, you just go back inside and pump the brake pedal and make sure everything feels good. So the next thing to do once the wheel is on is just to take the jack stand out, drop the van on the ground, and then take it for a test drive.